What's up, bros? I never thought I'd say this, but today we're trading in our controllers for chainsaws. Yeah, you heard that right. We're gonna learn how to cut down a tree, and let me tell you, it's gonna be epic. But wait, it gets better. We've got a special guest who's gonna make this whole tree cutting business look like a total cakewalk. So grab your flannel and let's go, gamers. Alright, epic gamers, feast your eyes on our expert for today. The most badass lumberjack you've ever seen. She's got the skills, the confidence, and oh boy does she know how to rock that lumberjack look. I'm talking Daisy Dukes that would make Daisy Duke jealous, a flannel shirt that's working overtime, and boots that mean business. And let's not forget that hard hat. It's tilted just right, like it's winking at us. Very nice. But don't let the looks fool you, brothers. This lady knows her way around a chainsaw better than most of us know our way around a gaming controller. She's here to show us city slickers how it's done, and trust me, you're gonna want to pay attention. This is so epic. Now, before we start revving up those chainsaws, we gotta talk about safety. I know, it's not the most exciting part. But hey, we want to keep all our limbs intact, right? Our lovely lumberjack here is showing us how it's done. She's got her gloves on, very nice. And that hard hat isn't just for show. It's like armor for your head, but way cooler. And check out those safety glasses. They're not just protecting her eyes, they're making her look like a total boss. Remember, bros, safety might not be the sexiest part of tree cutting, but it sure beats losing an eye. Okay, gamers, now we're getting to the good stuff. It's chainsaw time. Our expert's got her hands on that beast of a machine, and let me tell you, it's a thing of beauty. Look at how she handles it. It's like watching a pro gamer with a custom controller. She's checking the chain tension, filling up the gas tank, and making sure everything's in working order. It's like watching a speed run, but with power tools. Now watch closely as she starts it up. Hear that? That's the sound of pure power, bros. She's revving it up like a boss, and I gotta say, I'm a little jealous. But remember, a chainsaw isn't a toy. It's like playing on the hardest difficulty with permadeath enabled. You gotta respect the tool, or it's game over. Alright, epic gamers, it's time for the main event. Our sexy lumberjack is about to show us how to make the perfect cut. Check out that stance. Feet apart, knees slightly bent. It's like she's ready to dodge a boss attack in Dark Souls. She's gripping that chainsaw with both hands, steady as a rock. Now watch as she makes the first cut. It's smooth, it's precise, it's beautiful. She's cutting at an angle, creating what's called a felling wedge. It's like setting up the perfect combo in a fighting game. Then she moves to the other side for the back cut. The concentration on her face is intense. She's in the zone, just like when you're 1 kill away from a victory royale. This is it, bros, the moment of truth. Our expert lumberjack has made her cuts, and now it's time to bring this tree down. Watch how she uses wedges and the lay of the land to control where the tree falls. It's all about strategy, just like in an RTS. And there it goes. Timber! Man, that was so satisfying. It's like watching the final boss go down after hours of grinding. Our lumberjack makes it look easy, but trust me, it takes skill, practice, and a whole lot of awesome. And there you have it, bros. We've just leveled up from city slickers to tree felling masters thanks to our amazing lumberjack guide. Remember, cutting down a tree is no game. Always get proper training before you try this at home. But wasn't that epic? If you enjoyed this tree-mendous adventure, smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, stay epic, gamers!